Start beta. Everyone, your note should be with you. Now we will start means no stoppage. In between only I will stop for grade 12. At 10. What? How I come to know? I inform in the group now. After that, what should I do? Kavya, share the link in the group, beta. We don't have time already. I all your girlfriends now you call. Why should I call them? You call all your girlfriends and tell them auntie's calling. Voice is audible. Come on, say voice is audible. Okay, let's start the session, please. Now look here. First part is the polynomial last part questions were left. We are going to finish polynomial last part questions. Once polynomial last part questions are ready, beta, we will be starting our second work. Okay, Nishant, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for delay today because Sunday means some. Sunday only you people are busy. I don't have any work, na. This full morning I'll wake up and then I'll start teaching. Correct? That is very nice of you. Really all works were there. But look here. Last class till where we have finished. Come on, check your notes. Yesterday you people have solved the questions till 40. So let's see, start answering me the questions very fast. Then you have to approach. Good afternoon, everybody. Please start. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial this and verify the relationship. This you will be able to solve. Zeros finding and verifying. Product part will become what? Product part will become 0. So you people will be able to solve or not? Yes? Now we'll go for the next one. Find a quadratic polynomial with this as sum and product of sum given. This is alpha plus beta, correct? And alpha into beta given. So quadratic polynomial k after that x square minus alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is root 2x plus 1 by 3 root x. I hope you might have understood. So this is exactly the way to proceed. Now we will go for the next one. Let's start the next part, please. This is the next question. Find the zeros of polynomial by factorization method and verify relationship between. So first you have to factorization. Use factorization method and see if the demanding factorization method, then you cannot use any other method. You have to use only factorization method. This is the most important thing. If they are asking factorization method means answer should be given by factorization method. So for factorization method, what you are going to do? For factorization method, you are going to factorize. So how you are going to factorize? Can anybody tell me how to factorize this? See, I'm just letting it shift a little bit up. I'm just seeing the question 2x square. First to take A. First, this one you take LCM. See, look here, very easily. 2x square plus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 4 is there. Take LCM beta. 4 will be taken common. It will become 4 to the 8x square plus 2 7s are 14x plus 3. Now till here if we are able to solve, 1 by 4 will be coming outside as factor. Now you factorize it. 8 factor will come what? 2, 2, 2 and 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Everyone, how I am using factorization method? You check 8x square. Obviously, whosoever will sit with you, that person will talk. That's the most important 40 for you. Focus here. I can do from here also. Nobody can change. Now look here. Now from here, what I am going to do is, I will use 4 table, 4x, so it will become 2x plus 3. And here I will write plus 1, 2x plus 3. So here it is coming as 1 by 4, 4x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. So these two are coming 4x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 and see. So what and all 2 zeros are there? The 2 zeros are x is equal to 4 and minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 2 are the two factors. So this one will become, one of the zeros can be taken as alpha and another one zero can be taken as beta. So you can do like this, you can take zeros as alpha and beta. I hope you might have understood, Maha. That's correct only. I hope you might have understood this one. So one of the zeros is taken as alpha. Now verification you can be able to do. Yes or no? Huh? Yes, coefficient or alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. You have to frame the equation and then coefficient formula also you can use and solve the question. I hope it is done. See, verification many times we have done. You check verification one time, NCRT verification, you check how they are verifying, use that part. I hope you might have understood. Maha, is it okay? Now we will go for find the zeros of the polynomial by factorization method. So this is again another important question. These zeros you have to use by factorization method. Here only catch is there. Zeros by factorization method. So by factorization and verify the relation. So first of zeros by factorization method is most important. Here most of the question marks will be coming there only. Verification means alpha plus beta is equal to, yes, coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. After that in constant by in product alpha into beta, yes, constant by x square. After framing the equation. Now we will go for the next part. See, today word problem one by one we will deal. Understood? So word problem in mathematics is going to be very difficult for linear equation and quadratic. These two chapter word problems, one time age related all word problems. So our heading will be word problem itself. Okay, because most of the word problems are creating problem. So all the word problems today is our target. Nicely linear equation in two variable and quadratic we will merge together and solve. Understood? So now look at it, because most of the questions sometimes are solving by quadratic also and sometimes you are solving by linear equation into variables. So these two chapters we are going to merge together and solve it. Okay? Are you all ready for it? Come on children, go for it. So next question is, so this part most probably is 2s squared minus s, now here minus 2 root 2s plus root 2. Like this it is written means, see look here, carefully from here design. Here 2 is there. Can I write 2s root 2 into root 2 s square, then minus s, and then minus 2 root 2 s plus root 3. We will do only one, but we will take root 2 s common. So it is coming as root 2 s minus 1 minus root 2. It will become 2s, because here if I have taken root 2 outside, I am going to take means, oh, then I did not to take anything now, because this is easier, much easier what we expected. Here we will take only s out, means it will become 2s minus 1. Then here you take out minus root 2, it will become 2s minus 1. Done now? It is much easy. S minus root 2 and 2s minus 1. So it will give you values like s will be having the value root 2 and 1 by root 2. Understood? So alpha can be taken as, good afternoon everyone, alpha is root 2 and beta is 1 by 2. So this is the way to proceed with the question answers. Are you all ready? Now listen to them. The second important point to be noted here is, when we are solving like this, the alpha plus beta verification you will do. Clearly say, you will be chosen. How much late yaar? Why? You don't sit it first. See, can we see the next question? Which of the following would be the graph of this one? How to come to know that? Which one is the graph of x minus 1 whole square, x plus 2? Come on children, start trying that. I am giving you x minus c. Look here, if it is quadratic, then it will be parabola. If it is cubic, then it will not be parabola. So here x squared, see, how to catch this part? I am going to explain you this section. X minus 1 whole square and x plus 2 is there. So beta first x minus 1 whole square work shall we do? X square plus 1 minus 2x. Sanjay, do it very carefully. And then here x plus 2. So highest degree will become what beta? X cube. So it is not going to be what? Is it going to be parabola? No. So now let's see where is that figure. So highest values are exactly there. But can you check that if the going to be very difficult? Yes, and other options also. So yesterday this question I had given. I mean that you told that you have solved this question. So only I asked this question. Now look at x square plus 1 minus 2x by x plus 2. So here it will become x cube plus x minus 2x square plus 2x square plus 2 minus 4x. So here it will become what? X cube, after that minus 2x square plus 2x square. Is it so? X cube plus 2x square and minus 2x square. Correct or not? So if this will get cancelled. So plus x minus 4x minus 3x. After that plus 2. Understood or not? So cubic part when we are representing, so once the value of x will become 0, the value of x will become 0. What will be the value of y? The value of y will become 2. Understood? When the value of x will substitute some of the critical points. In the graph, can you check the critical points are, if you check this graph, the critical point is x1, y0. Can we put x1? Is it giving y0? So when x is equal to 1, here according to the situation, y is coming as 0. Understood? So here x is equal to 1 means 1 minus 3 plus 2. 100% y is coming as 0. So this can be one of the graph. Understood? Not? Here also they have given like that. Understood? But the most important point here is this point. This critical point. Understood? So what value of y given? Minus 4. Understood? So shall we put y is equal to minus 4? Huh? Y is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 because on y-axis x value will be 0. So when x will be 0, y is coming as plus 2. So this is not out of the. Understood? So y is equal to, this part critical point it is, here it is coming minus 0.5. So let's see, x should be 2. When y is equal to, x is equal to 0, y should be 2. Correct? Is it there? When y is equal to 0, x is coming as 2. So which graph is going to be the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Understood? How to get the critical points? Look here. Why Satya I told that this is the correct answer beta, because the moment we substituted x value as 0, y value is coming as plus 2. So x value 0, y value plus 2. Only here in critical point x value is 0, y value is coming as plus 2. So our this graph is correct. Understood? Now how I did it? Now look at it. Whenever any equation is given, everyone listen very carefully. All the students of AMEA, please leave all your activities and join the classes for today. Otherwise, I'll cancel your class and I will call 12th class and I will take their class. Only 8 students are live right now. What is that? Students, only 5 are there. Good evening, Yashwant. Those who are not present right now, I'm going to take them out of group today itself. It will not take me 1 second also to take a decision. I'm telling you, I'm a very bad person. Now look here. Did you understand what we have to do? First, we have to find the factor, convert fully. After that, we will start putting all the critical points. This point is what point, beta? x1, y0. On x-axis, y value is 0. On y-axis, x value is 0. Understood? Very good, Darshini. Those people, first time will say me hi. I'm going to check the names and I'm going to post in the group. Come on, everybody. Off you. On. You asked Praveen, his adventure is over. Yashwant, Darshini, once you have given I, just leave it. Coming as if you are going to watch one movie. For movie also you are going in time. Idiot. Those who are not attending the class, seriously, I'm going to take you out. That's the only decision I'm going to take. I'm not scared of anyone. You know that. Now everybody understood. On x-axis, y value is. On y-axis, x value is. If any factor they will give, they will ask this graph is which graph is correct. Take all the critical points of the graph, put into the equation. If LHS is coming equal to RHS for all the point, the answer is there. Understood? Don't by emotion take any decision. It will come. The graph is made with the critical points only. No, why I will tell you like that? See, most critical point, this question, what we did, we wrote the equation. After that, you know 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, everywhere 1 minus 2, they very cleverly played with 1 minus and minus 1 and 2. So we will not touch that point, we will touch that peak point. Easily you see the graph is touching here minus 2, the graph is touching at 2. So that means when it will come? When x will become 0. Then y value will come. Immediately make x equal to 0. Y value will immediately come. You have to play very safe there. See, today also I informed all the students. Some of my students have teachers went for writing CTET examination. Morning they called me. I just said one thing to them. 90 minutes are very crucial for any examination. 90 minutes will decide. Because you know what? If you take pressure in the first 90 minutes, second 90 minutes will be very easy. Are you understanding? That second 90 minutes will be relaxation minutes for you. So that first 90 minutes now, most typical questions you must finish. You must not leave any single question. This is not about one exam. This is about that exam which will turn your life forever. Understood? First, you are getting experience. Second is you will be understanding what is the potential first. Got it? I'm not telling when then good afternoon beta. When then steps fully check beta. One by one steps check when then today whatever videos I'm sending check very nicely beta. And wherever doubts will be there, you ask me. Everybody I'm telling you. Are you understanding? The first few minutes are very crucial for any competitive examination. That pressure if you will handle in 90 minutes and half of the question paper is in your hand. If half of the question you have finished, that means nobody can stop you. I hope everybody understood this one. So you need to be working in that 90 minutes. 5 marks question first, 3 marks question after that. Are you understanding? Last minute MCQs we will handle. That's not a big deal. Understood? First is 5 marks, case study, 3 marks. Last 90 minutes is our joy minute. Understood? But all my students listen very nicely. Focus into writing the answer. First, when you are getting the question paper, first 10 minutes what you are going to do. Take a pencil. I'm telling that because of that only I got state ranks also. Understood? I used to take one pencil, take the question paper, read the question very thoroughly. If you are knowing the question paper, put a tick and write marks there. 5 mark, 5 mark, 5 mark, 3 mark, 2 mark, 1 mark, this much. Okay, add all that. First, before starting a question paper, this is my forte. Last minute I am telling you what I am doing. So all that, okay, I am knowing 50 marks question. Remaining 20 now out of my target now. First target is 50 and that 90 minutes I am playing with that 50 marks. Understood? Because 50 marks I am knowing boss. 50 marks first I have to solve. Understood? And once that 50 marks, 90 minutes over, remaining 20 to crime also do means okay, no problem. But that 20 will become my next target. And then 10 marks, which is totally I am not knowing, I can do anything to get that 10 marks. Understood or not? But first 50, then 20, and then last 10. Got it? So this is the way the toppers are playing the game. Understood? Now we have done this much of questions, but you know what? Don't overdo any question in maths. Because now sometimes you itself will start contradicting. Once you will solve the question before time, you will start becoming your own judge and you will start cutting. Hey, this was. Then you will ask from your neighborhood. Yeah, you studied. Why you are asking from someone else? Correct now? So this 10 to 20 minutes of last second, don't overdo. What you have done, trust yourself. Many times I've seen some students, last minute they're cutting one full 5 mark. 10 minutes left after correction, another person said that, hey, that answer is different. That's it. They see that person is very good in studies and they take that decision and they cut. Never do that. Analyze from your point of view and then finally do it. Are you understanding? Don't trust anyone so blindly. In board exam, when you have already prepared to that level, I hope all of you have informed very nicely these things. Correct? So now one paper I'm going to give you. 14th or 13th. 13th one sample paper I am going to give you. That sample paper, all the students of Tripalkundaram, Anupuram and online children, I will request if it is possible, come here and sit and write in front of me examination. Okay? That 3 hour examination you will get only 2.5 hours. Understood? In 2.5 hours you have to prepare, handle the pressure. And once the pressure is up, you wrote the examination, I'll correct in front of you. It will take time. If you are running late, you go. But in front of you, I will correct the paper and MCQs though, I'll just read the question, MCQ these options. So 20 marks are directly. So that 20 marks pressure build up, okay. Then 2 marks question I will solve in board and show you. You will judge your paper. I will not touch your paper. I will solve that 2 marks question and show you after exam. Understood? And after that, you will judge that, okay, how much marks should I get after solving like that. But attempt should be 80 out of 80. Time will be getting only 2.5 hours. Mental stress should be totally take that pressure that day. Same examination pressure you have to take. Examination pressure is good, yeah. It will help you to take burden every time. Have everybody ready? Now look at every question I am giving, take a mental stress and solve. Think this is 2020 question. The zeros of the polynomial are, solve it. The zeros of the polynomial are very nicely solved. Think that this is the first question you got for board examination. Understood? Like board question, this is my question. I have to solve. Like that. Ask sir if it is related to studies, means I will solve it. It's not related, then I'll pass. Okay? So now look here. So first is x square minus 3x minus m square minus 3m. Okay? So that means what? X square minus 3x minus m square minus 3. What should I be doing in this type questions, boss? How to solve for k? Question has to be how to solve for k means beta यहाँ पे कितना कुछ आ सकता है. Linear equation into variable is also coming for how to solve for k. Any unknown variable also is coming for how to solve for k. Okay. Okay. So everybody take pressure. Pressure is very important. Because of that pressure now you will come out neat. I got state rank not like that. Understood? Toppers are not made. They are making themselves on their own. Understood? So you need to be perfect. Don't think your teacher should be perfect. They are perfect in their own way. It's time for you to create change. Understood? And one of you are enough to teach everyone that we don't need a big platform. We need just ourselves. Correct? Ready? Now look at this question came is stop. Because I am getting pressure. No, where is the pressure, boss? I will first follow CBSE rule. No unwanted activities. Simple and very, very elegant steps we will take. Beta here x square and m square is there now. We will take them together. Now look at x square minus m square. Taken together. Okay. Now look at here. Minus this part is there. So x square. Now here minus 3x minus 3m is there. Done? Relax. No tension. Relax out. Solve it. Very good. So now look at x square minus m square will become a square minus b square. X plus m, x minus m. Minus 3 common, x plus m. So here x plus m, x plus m. Take out x plus m. What left? X minus m minus 3. Understood? Last part beta, make it equal to 0. x is coming as minus m and m plus 3. Which option? Plus m is there, so minus m plus 3. That's it. CBSE 2020 question in our hand. Minus m is there, no beta, because see, minus part you take common now. So think very simple and solve. A is the option. 39. What is the option, beta? Everyone, come on, give. 39. Which is the option? B is the option. We checked it nicely. Any mistake is there? Any mistake is there? Calculation pakka. X square minus m square. What came? X plus m. X minus m. After that, minus 3x minus 3m. Minus 3 snatched out. What left? X plus m. X plus m taken out. What left? X minus m minus 3. When we equate to 0 beta, constant will become 3 plus m. That's it. Chhod do usko. Understood? Now next question beta. Are you ready for it? And your time starts now. See, nothing is there in the question beta. What is there written? See, product are, see the polynomial, the product and sum. First time they have given alpha into beta. This is alpha into beta. So here very cleverly they gave alpha into beta is 5 and alpha plus beta is equal to 8. So what we need to do? K right after that x square minus alpha plus beta is 8x plus 5. Always mention what you have taken K is, what is K? K is constant. So what is our correct answer? Absolute. I hope children you have understood. Very good. So like this only we need to solve in the board examination. Confident, pressure built up will be there. Enjoy the pressure, yeah. What is it? Correct now. Enjoy the pressure. This is the pressure only and this pressure only will let me go to that level. I have everybody ready? Are we going to the next question? Sanjay, one question solve particularly stepwise. Jotam, no question should be left and this is CBSE 2024 question and 2023 question. This is your question, but I can't do anything. And your time starts now. Come on, go for it. Do it. What should be added for the polynomial so that 3 is the zeros of resulting polynomial? We have already solved this question 2 times. This is the 3rd time I am solving. Very good version, you remember that. Now look at it. We will solve this question. What should be added? Let K should be added. Correct now? What did I told yesterday? Please, Satya, everyone, start solving. Start solving. Don't leave the question. Start solving, children. I can't understand that question. You take the screenshot of that question and send me, Sharmila. Now look at it. Understand. What should be added for the polynomial so that 3 is the zeros of resulting polynomial? Hey, everybody. First, what is the meaning of zeros? What is the meaning of zeros? Zeros means the value of x. What is zeros? Simple one question I am solving to let you understand what is the meaning of zeros. Until and unless you will not understand that now, most of the time you will do mistake only. So today let's see for 0 level question. We don't know anything. We are starting from the grassroots level, 0 level. So one question is given to you. Question is x square plus 3x plus 2. Understood? Now what is the zeros of this? First beta we will factorize it. Okay? Now factorization is x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Now x common plus 1 common. So here x plus 1 and x plus 2. The moment you will make this equal to 0, what you are getting? So x value is coming as minus 1 and minus 2. This minus 1 and minus 2 are what? This minus 1 and minus 2 are zeros. What they are? Zeros of polynomial. And beta, they are nothing but alpha beta. What they are? Alpha beta only. Understood? Polynomial means, what is that? Nothing is difficult here. Alpha is equal to minus. Then you write left. Because we can shuffle it now. So beta is equal to minus 2. That's it beta. Alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to minus 2. And beta, you know what? Another important point to remember. That is, if I have written f of x is equal to this much. Understood? So this alpha and beta are called as zeros and they are value of x, roots of polynomial or value of x, then they will satisfy the values. Understood? So here, if instead of x, I will put minus 1. What I will get? Minus 1 whole square. Say x minus 1 plus 2. So here it will become 1 minus 3 plus 2, 0. So that means zeros always satisfy the equation. What is the conclusion? Zeros always satisfies the equation. Zeros always satisfies the equation. Children, are you all ready for it? So now we are going to go back to our question because that was the question which was needing our help. So here, what is the question? What should be added from the polynomial to What should be added from the polynomial so that 3 is the zeros? Understood? So let k should be added. We will add k. So here f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 beta. Understood or not? Now beta, what we added? 4 added. The moment 4 k added. So let k be the number added in f of x. Okay. Now what is the zeros? 3. So if 3 is the zero means it will satisfy the polynomial. If 3 is the zero means it will satisfy the polynomial. So f of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 4 plus k, and it will make it equal to 0. Understood? So since here one thing you must write, since f of 3, this will become the 0. So since 3 is the 0, so f of 3 will become equal to 0. So the moment you will substitute 3 instead of x, the entire part will become equal to 0. So here it will become 9 minus 15 plus 4 plus k equal to 0. Can you tell me the answer, beta? How much it is coming? 13 minus 15. 2 or 3? Very good. So k value is coming as 2. So here what is the value? CBSE 2024 question in your pocket if you will solve like this. Understood, na beta? Now look here, alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial. Will we be able to solve? Yesterday itself we solved questions like this. Now, yesterday's videos, please kindly refer one time. Same question is there, CBSE 2023. So we did not get it. Now look here, go for question number. Alpha and beta are the zeros of quartic polynomial. Then value of k if alpha plus beta is equal to half of alpha into beta. Don't leave this type of questions. And your time starts now. Go for it. Go for it, children. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Are you understanding that? Hello? Without. Anything. No. I mean, life. Option number? A. See, easy question or tough question? Now look here. We will make it easy. First we need to understand what they are asking actually. See, this part is, come on, give this part x square minus k plus 6x plus 2k minus 1 is there. Understood? If we will compare it with, this is p of x. If we will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, what is a, beta? A is equal to 1. What is b? Minus k plus 6. What is c? 2k plus 1. Till you are done? Now beta, what is given here is alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus of minus k plus 6 by 1. So it will become k plus 6. What is alpha into beta? 2k plus 1. That's it. 2k plus 1. Where is minus? 2k, k minus 1 is there, right? Okay. 2k minus 2k minus 1. Here also 2k minus 1. Then, now beta, what was our question? जो term alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 8. Alpha plus beta is what? K plus 6 is equal to half into 2k minus 1. So this got cancelled. So here it will come beta k plus 6 equal to, here 2 to the 4k and beta minus 2. 2 cancel.
Then how
This 2k is, oh, then 2k minus 1. So here this 2k, can I shift this one this side? So 6 plus 1 is equal to k. 7. Done? Wow, super. So I hope everybody got this answer. I hope everybody understood this question. I hope everybody understood this one. Shall we go for the next one, please? Done? Last question is what beta? Alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial x squared minus 1. Then see, here most important thing is when x squared minus 1 is there, then are we going to solve this question first? We are not going to solve this question. Technique used. You are going to say that x squared minus 1 is there. Come on now. So f of x is coming as what? X squared minus 1. That is what? X part is 0, b part is 0. So alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So it is coming as 0 by 1. So answer is coming as 0. Are you going to solve this question? No. Okay. Option? Yes. Absolutely correct. It is coming as C. No, C is not the correct answer. It is D. Okay. So now we'll go for the next question and your time starts now. I told you now some techniques, shortest technique to solve and go with the questions. Can you go with the questions, beta? Due to heavy storm, an electrical wire got bent as shown in the figure. It follows mathematical shape. Definitely it is the shape of a parabola. Can you see the critical point, the vertex point, beta? What is the vertex point? Can you check the vertex point here? Some points we are going to check. That first point here is this point. What is this? Minus 1 comma 0. Another contact point is solution 3 comma 0. Vertex point is what? 1 comma minus 4. Always x value you are going to write first, na? So these are the three values. Come on, check this one out. Okay. Can you do one thing? Yes, so this much is exactly we are going to do. So minus 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 4. Okay, minus 1 comma 0, 3 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 4. Shall we go for the questions? What are the shape in which the wire is bent? Parabola. Okay, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Minus 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. The zeros of the polynomial are minus 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. So what and all were there? X, two values were there, na? Minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3. So please the answer. Okay. Now next one. Himanshu, I am not at all getting time here. Two works are together on my head and I am unable to turn myself here and there. My project and this work, both are there and I am just giving food. See, what will be the expression of the polynomial? What will be the expression of the polynomial? See, what are all values were there? Can you remind me one time? So what was the value of x? Minus 1. And second one was 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to what, beta? 2. And alpha into beta is equal to minus 3. Got it? So here k x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here k x squared minus 2x And what is the next one, beta? Someone say. So this, which is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. What is the value of the polynomial if x equal to -1? Answer is coming as 0. Will you people be able to solve it? Yes, absolutely correct answer. So everybody please try and solve the question. Yes. Which one D is the correct answer for this? Absolute beta. See, everybody please understand one thing. I'm not standing here to prove that I'm better than any other person. Am I proving any day that I'm better teacher than others? Did I say anything? Correct? No? I'm doing my duty. Correct? So let it be done. No. Some people are very they are understanding like that only. Neither I'm trying to take anyone's place nor anyone's business. I'm very confined to my children and I'm doing that work only. Come on. Alpha and beta are the zeros of. So come on, start solving. I will not solve. You people will solve. And your time starts now. Like that is what we are very sure which part doing now. Huh? Alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Polynomial means our 3 days videos are more than enough for getting full marks. Correct? Na? So 1 by 1 we will practice that only means it will be coming thoroughly like okay fine. We know this type questions are coming. Okay? I already cleared the year only 1% of Indian teachers cleared CTET exam. I cleared that year CTET exam. So why I should be writing CTET again? Answer me. Now I am teaching others to write CTET exam. That's the difference. तुम्हारा सीटेट कहाँ से होगा मेरे बाप 10th तो पास कर जाओ सीटेट के एस्पिरेंट हो तो now look here first alpha beta value first f of x is equal to write it clearly beta f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2 okay form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are so first beta we will solve this one and get the value of x correct so what it will become x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 f of x so f of x is equal to x square x you take common it will become what if we will take x common this what it will become x minus 2 plus 1 it is coming as x minus 2 so x plus 1 into x minus 2 f of x is equal to this so what and all are the value of x equal to 2 and minus 1 then x equal to 2 and minus 1 next what we are going to do understood so x is equal to 2 and minus 1 done so now we are going to find alpha plus beta because now they are telling another zero so this and these are the two zeros so we will write let alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 so here 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 how much value is coming beta 5 now 2 beta plus 1 so here minus 2 plus 1 it is coming as minus 1 now sum of the zeros we have to find sum of the zeros means we have to add this two correct so what will become 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1 so total value is coming as what 4 and product is coming as what beta 5 plus understand product means 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1 it is coming as minus 5 so what is the equation k x square minus 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1 x plus 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1 so answer will come as beta k x square minus 4x minus 5 where k is constant. So we did all the works here. Understood? मुझे पागल करोगे। Now look here. Maha, okay? Is it there? Mukundan, clear, beta? All of you done? So are we going to go for the next question? Form a quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product. Are we going to waste our time in this? Will you be able to solve this? Form a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product. Alpha plus beta minus 3. Alpha into beta 2. So, form a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of zeros. Sum and product of zeros. Minus 3 and alpha into beta is 2. Correct only now. So it will become x square k minus of minus s plus 3x plus 2. K is constant. That's it. We'll go for next question and your time starts now. Question number 40. So polynomial you will be able to solve everything into polynomial. We have done these 3 videos are more than enough to get the polynomial questions. Correct now? NCERT question also they have not given that much which we have done. 3 days polynomial videos are enough to finish the entire part. Come on, go for it, beta. Are you getting confidence now? Polynomial chapter, real number chapter. These 2 chapters. Now today linear we are going to do. Hello, beta. So now look here. Standard maths only, beta. Why? No, standard only. Now, beta, the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is 3. So, alpha plus beta is equal to 3 given. Then find the value of k. So, 3x square minus kx plus 6 is there. Done? Correct now? So, here sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is given. So, here k value will be what, beta? The format formula is what? Alpha plus beta. Hey, monkey, book take, practice. Today I am going to discuss the teaching answer and going to check. 4 o'clock I am going to 15 minutes break. After that start. Now look here, beta. What is the value of k? Everybody, please start answering the question. What is the value? Some are telling k value is 9. Why k value is 9? If the sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is 3, then find the value of k. Alpha plus beta is equal to 3. So, directly why can't we substitute? I am having that question only. Directly we can't substitute. One person is telling 7, one person. Okay, let's check this one out. I don't know what is the value of k, but we know only one thing. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus k by 3. Understood? And sum of alpha plus beta value is given as 3. So k by 3. So k value is coming as 9. So those who have given k value as 7, it is not correct. The correct value is exactly coming as 9 only. Now we take CBSE this question. Hey, last class itself we have finished. Now look at. If one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is reciprocal of the other, how many times you will solve this question here? Directly what we are going to do, hit the product part and you will get the answer. See, whenever these type questions are coming, what work we are going to do is, hit the last part of the question. What is the last part of the question? P of x is equal to 6x square plus 37x minus k minus 2. So, beta alpha plus beta. Alpha is equal to what we have given? 1 by beta. So here alpha, what we will do? Product of the zeros are minus k minus 2 by 6. And since alpha is 1 by beta, can we substitute instead of alpha? Beta into 1 by beta equal to minus k minus 2 by 6. Cancel. So this 6 will shift there. It will become minus k plus 2. So it will become 6 minus 2, 4 is equal to minus k. So k is equal to minus 4. Done? Very good. Vishwa. Steps is very important. See, look here. Many teachers, they will tell you skip the steps. I am telling you write the steps because as a topper, I know how to solve the question. You have to present in your best shot. You are understanding? Yes. So k is equal to write every single step here. How much possible, present it into the best way. I hope Vishwa don't skip the steps. Write the steps very carefully. Okay. I hope it is done. Now we will go for the next question. What is the next question, beta? This question is if alpha and beta are zeros of this, such that this value is equal to what we are going to do? Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. What did I say yesterday? It will become alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta. This will be presented like this, correct? And that will be equal to 21 by 4. Now beta, what is this minus 2 alpha beta and minus what it will become? Alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta equal to 21 by 4. Now beta, from here can we take alpha beta? What is alpha plus beta? Minus 5 by 2. And what is alpha into beta? So here minus 5 by 2 whole square minus k by 2 equal to 21 by 4. So now just one short work is left, and that one short work is what? It will become 25 by 4 minus 2k by 4 is equal to 21 by 4. I multiplied here with 2 and 2. Understood? So it is coming 25 minus 2k. I multiplied here 2 and down also multiplied with 2. Understood? So here by 4 is equal to 21 by 4. This and this will get cancelled. 25 minus 21 is equal to 2k. 4 is equal to 2k. So k is equal to 2. I hope everybody understood k value is coming as 2. So is it done? Nicely done or not? Yes, confidence level is there. Jotam, solve every single steps. Night, same chapter, again one more time practice. See the video, see the steps, analyze the question. Sit with yourself. The last moment is when you are sitting for the same chapter revision, you have to sit with yourself and you have to give yourself that answers. Are you understanding? The last moment is your preparation section. Understood? And you need to give your best shot. Correct? So whatever polynomial part we are studying, one more time you have to sit and analyze and then solve. Got it? The same videos, questions are already questions we have sent in group now. Correct? Polynomial. Real number, everything is there in the group. Question set also we have sent. Correct now? So that means what? You have question set, you have solving. Don't divert your mind too much. Understand one thing. People will confuse you. Stick with CBSE. Stick with same pattern. 100% 80 out of 80 is possible. And you know what? Don't do unwanted steps. CBSE, NCRT steps are very, very important. Follow the tricks of NCRT. Don't do here and there. I'm going to do that only. Just now I told I'm going to do what problem today. Alpha and beta zeros of quadratic polynomial. Don't worry, Mama, I know my duty. I know you people are going to give the toughest score for everyone. Now this question already we have done now. See this part I'm going to solve. See what is it? 5x square plus 5x plus 1 is given is equal to f of x. Done? Now beta, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 5. So it is coming as minus 1. Alpha into beta is 1 by 5. First question. A. Alpha square plus beta square. What you are going to write? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square is what? Minus 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 5. So when you are writing minus 2, so it is coming as 1 minus 2 by 5. After solving it is 5 minus 2 by 5. It is coming as b by 5. Now second part beta, what they have given? Alpha inverse, beta inverse. Don't worry, you just shift it as 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. It will become alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by minus 5. So it is coming as minus 5. Done? Easy? Are you getting the confidence like I can be able to solve Satya? After practicing this much, you just Go with the trends. See, analyze, and then solve.
X is equal to root under 15 plus root under 15 minus
Huh? Are we?
2.
52. Just I need to fill this part. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial this and verify the relationship. We can do it now. X square minus 15 is there. So plus root 15 and minus root 15. X is coming as root 15 and minus root 15. Then alpha plus beta is coming as 0. Alpha into beta is coming as minus. Correct? But there we have write minus b by a and c by a. Okay, this is a good question. Please kindly go for this. See, Riddhi throws a stone in the air such that they follow parabolic path before it landed on P on the ground as depicted by the graph below. So here, can you check this point? Height is given. This is exactly the parabolic curve P point. Okay. The above graph is represented by a polynomial with the sum of its zero as 1. Sum of the 0 is 1. So alpha plus beta is 1 and the sum of the square of its 0 as 25. Okay, this is a good question. So beta first work is sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros she has taken as, what is the sum of the zeros? Come on, solve this. Sum of the zeros is given as what, beta? Check. Sum of the 0 is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1. And alpha square plus beta square is equal to, how much is there? 25. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 25. So alpha plus beta is 1. 1 square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 25. So here, we will shift this one out. What we are going to get? So 1 minus 25 is equal to 2 alpha beta. So minus 24 by 2 is equal to alpha beta. So alpha beta is coming as minus 12. Got it? Alpha beta is coming as minus 12. So now we can frame the quadratic equation x square minus x because alpha plus beta is coming as 1 and then alpha into beta is minus 12. So k x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. Factorize it. X minus 4 plus 3 x minus 4. So what is the value here? X plus 3 x minus 4. So what are the 2 points? Minus 3 and 4. So what are the coordinate points? This point is coming as minus 3 comma 0 and this point is coming as plus 4 comma 0. Is it easy or not? After seeing the polynomial part, note down. P point is, Q point is minus 3 comma 0. P point is 4 comma 0. Next is, if one unit on the graph represents 25 meters, how far from Riddhi does the stone land? One unit is represented as 25 meter. One unit. She is on minus 2. She is on minus 2. Now minus 2 to minus 1. 1 unit. Minus 1 to 0. 2 unit. 0 to 1. 3 unit. 1 to 2. 4 unit. 2 to 3. 5 units. 3 to 4. 6 unit. 6 into 25. Good afternoon, Beta. So 6 into 25. How much it is coming? 6 5 30 is equal to 150 meters. I understood or not? How far from Riddhi? This was a tough question or easy question? Easy, na? So we need to just analyze. After analyzing, we are seeing that the questions are not difficult. The questions are very much in our command. Understood? So now this type of questions, multiple choice question, will it be tough for you? Alpha minus beta is zeros of the polynomial. Same pattern here. What is the relationship between alpha and beta? Alpha minus beta is a zero of quadratic polynomial. Is a zero of quadratic polynomial. This is seriously a good question. Go for it. How many pages are left? This is the last page. The graph open upwards. The graph will open upward. When coefficient is positive, the graph will open upward. So this question we have done. Now this part check. Go for it. Alpha minus beta is a zero of polynomial and is a zero of the polynomial. This and this okay, alpha minus beta is the zero polynomial for first one also and second one also. Go for it. So if alpha minus beta is 0, one polynomial, alpha minus alpha plus beta will be the 0 of another polynomial. Check this question. So which one is the relationship? What relationship is exactly going to have? Because x square plus sx plus t is there. If substitute, you will be able to get. First value is coming as alpha plus beta. If two zeros are there, it will come as minus s. And here, if two zeros are there, means alpha plus beta is equal to minus u. So s and u are coming together. Huh? B is the correct answer. How many of you are saying B is the correct answer? Till now I did not did. Till now I did not put. I have not said any comment here. Come on, go for it. Check nicely because one thing you are missing, sir. Alpha minus beta is the zero of the polynomial. It is 1 0 of the polynomial. Understood? Can I solve? Can I solve? Hey, one single thing I taught you. Why you people are forgetting? Alpha minus 0 is a z. Wait, listen for me. Listen me first carefully. If alpha minus beta is zeros of the polynomial, then what work we are going to do here? See, first I need a space to teach you all. It will satisfy the equation of polynomial or not? Yes? So now look here. So we can write f of alpha minus beta. So instead of x square, what will become? Alpha minus beta whole square plus s alpha minus beta plus t equal to 0. This is one equation it will become. Second equation f of alpha minus beta, both will exist. So alpha minus beta whole square plus u alpha minus beta plus b equal to 0. Equating equation 1 and 2, both are equal to 0 now. So can we get equating? So alpha minus beta whole square plus s alpha minus beta plus t is equal to alpha minus beta whole square plus u alpha minus beta plus b. So this part and this part will get cancelled. Understood or not? So first t you shift that side. It is s alpha minus beta minus u alpha minus beta is equal to b minus t. Take alpha minus beta common. It is coming s minus u is equal to b minus t. So alpha minus beta s minus u. You shift it down. So it is b minus t by s minus u. Shift this that side. Alpha is equal to b minus u s minus u minus plus beta. Which one is the correct answer? I rest my case. This is the way to solve this question. Okay, I'm taking 1 to tea break. After that break, I'm coming with linear equation into variables. Because I have to take 12th class also today.